So today is the ILM Level 3 apprenticeship standard for team leaders and supervisors. We primarily work with food-based businesses and we integrate within those through different training programs that we run, and we look at those systems and we work on continuous improvement techniques. The aim is to make it as interactive, as fun and as motivational as we can make it. That ranges from videos to questionnaires to interactive activities, and today we've done the full session around gameplay, and that was the house that you built. So the aim of the game is that they build a 2-storey house out of a deck of cards. They have a limited parameters for that. They have to choose a leadership style and how they're going to be for the day, and a strategy. And they have to take both of those into account throughout the day. Leadership and management is such an intangible subject. It's something that it's so academic, it's difficult to grasp hold of. So what I wanted was a task that where people could lead and have a go at leading in a safe environment, where they can have a go at the different skills and put them into practice. All of the materials that they're given has a cost and they have a budget. And as a team they have to decide the materials, the budget and how they're going to work effectively together. And by the end of that task, they then review their skills as a leader and how it impacted the outcome.
3, 2, 1. I was a bit worried about that there. I rushed it.
I've run this task quite a few times, probably maybe 10 or 15 times, and every single time I get a different outcome.